When you're running a complex business, you need more than just accounting software to help you get more done every day. You need a robust business management solution you can access from anywhere, anytime. Enter QuickBooks Enterprise, our most powerful and flexible solution to help you run your business from end to end. Enterprise lets you set up purchase orders, send invoices, accept payments, pay vendors, and run payroll, all within QuickBooks. And that's just the beginning. When your business grows, Enterprise grows with you, expanding to up to 1 million list items and scaling to as many as 30 users. Plus, with customized user permissions, you can put the right information in the right hands, delegating to your team so you can get more done while managing access to sensitive data with confidence. Enterprise also helps you excel at inventory management. You can track product movement and storage right down to the row, shelf, and bin, and manage the entire sales order fulfillment process from a single dashboard. Enterprise also offers mobile barcode scanning to help save you time, reduce errors, and eliminate paperwork. You can receive mobile messages and track real-time picking and packing status from the warehouse floor right to your dashboard. When it comes to pricing, Enterprise gives you customizable automated pricing rules that let you easily manage promotions, bulk discounts, and prices for specific customers. And all the data rolls up into Enterprise, so you can build powerful reports to track the performance of your company and make the best business decisions. Enterprise includes more than 200 standard and industry-specific reports, all customizable for your unique business needs. You can even build new reports from scratch, complete with charts and graphs that are easy to understand and offer key business insights. Enterprise also comes with custom editions tailored for your industry, like Wholesale and Manufacturing, Contractor, Retail, Professional Services, Nonprofit, and more. Plus, Enterprise includes more than 200 app integrations and an open API so you can connect to a shopping cart or gateway. As an Enterprise customer, you also become a QuickBooks Priority Circle member with US-based priority support and a dedicated customer success manager who will work with you to understand your business needs and help you achieve your goals. Enterprise is an all-in-one solution with robust functionality that helps you make better decisions, get more done, and grow your business. See what it can do for you today.